Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, in today's tutorial, I have a Samsung TV and I'll be showing you to set your TV to game mode. Now of course, game mode will be the optimized mode that will allow you to play video games or any form of gaming console. This will make things much smoother as you'll be able to easily navigate, you'll be easily able to optimize your TV screen for the best performance in video games. All right, so usually people that plays especially first person games will use this, or it works for any games. It's the best possible mode that will reduce input lag and of course optimize picture quality and everything to give you the best gaming experience. All right, so just in case you want to place your TV in game mode and you're searching throughout your device but can't find the gaming mode, this should be able to help you. Alright, so straight ahead, get your remote. This is a Samsung TV. This should work for the Tizen operating system. So go over to your settings. Alright, and pay attention. So go right into the menu here. We're not going to go into all settings. I'm going to show you it on the main options here. Now, of course, if you go over, you'll continue to move across. These are the quick settings here. You should notice here it says gaming mode. It's easy to find as it's a gaming controller. Alright. So it says here it's off, so just tap and it says game mode is available when the current source is connected to an external device. All right, so I'm not connected to like a PlayStation or Xbox right now, but of course once you hit settings and go here, it should be able to, in the quick settings, access this menu here, and of course you can turn on your gaming mode. It will be available when you're connected via HDMI to turn on the gaming mode. Alright, so you can find the settings here for gaming mode, which is quite straightforward. Do hope this was helpful in finding this mode on your TV. Alright, so if you want to customize your game mode, again, you need a gaming console connected. I don't have one connected now, so you can also go to the detailed settings. So you can go into settings, you can then go to all settings, go to connections, and of course it's grayed out now, but once a gaming console is connected, you can find the options here to configure it. So you can configure game mode settings, all right, including HDR as well as game mode. So you can come here for detailed settings. There's a settings button here on the remote, and of course you can navigate to it on screen as well. All right, so you can customize your gaming mode as seen here. All right, I hope this was helpful for those who are wanting to customize their gaming mode or to use HDR on their device. All right, so Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, as always, saying bye until next time. Bye.